managing so many things, that too all at once, is not at all easy. Like, it's not an easy task to do. How do you manage your time with your, you have 4 pages on Insta, 3 or 4 pages on Insta, and your work? How do you manage your time?
I am kind of
And how
disciplined.
do you manage to get your me time even after all these things?
That's most important. So I'm a kind of person who is very organized, very disciplined. So once I got into my ventures, I always have this thing, I had to balance both my family and my work life. So I shouldn't ditch any of one of those. Suppose I give more time to my work, somewhere my family goes down. That priority matters. So that's a thing came into my mind, and I thought I shouldn't give up things. And of course, I sleep well also, so I don't miss on my sleep time. So I always, keep things, and for me, no last minute stuff. So I keep everything organized, everything neatly done, and kind of, I'm not a perfectionist, but I am nearing to kind of. So everything is in place. So I have a live Insta live with you guys, and I'm intimated about that, and I know what I'm wearing, what kind of stuff what accessories I would be matching with that. So everything is all set. So once you have that clarity, right, everything falls in place. And for me, somehow it worked. And every day I juggle within many things, and I'm still happy doing all this. Of course, I take off once in a while, and I just want to relax. I just want to just relax and stay for myself, and that goes into my self introspection. That's the time I give to my self analysis. Where can I improve? Where I've gone bad, or where can I really work on? So those are the times I give time to those thoughts. So everything falls into place once you have that clarity and you're a little organized. Things would work.